crazy view.
Check it out.
Yeah. A few, yeah. Yes, guys. Today we're doing some mashed potato. Yeah, we're doing some mashed potato and some some air fried chicken, my style. As you can see, the air fryer there and match right now. I'm running the same settings on both sides. So we have some leg and thigh, one leg and thigh and some wings. Alright, let's go. How much we set it on? I'm gonna do just 40 minutes on 160. Let's go. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. Some mashed potato and some wings in the air wings and leg and thigh in the air fryer. In the Ninja. But I blow like a steam train, sir. Yeah. Like a steam train. My mashed potato is just simple, though I don't put too much inside. Some people put all kind of stuff inside. Not me, just some butter, some milk. I put inside my mashed potato. I don't really overdo it, you know. It's just mashed potato. I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but I always put like spaghetti inside the mashed potato. Very nice. So I'm gonna just break it up and then put it inside. Like break it maybe into 3 pieces, put it inside. And that finish all my days. Try it. Don't just take my words for it. You put the spaghetti inside the mash. Okay, let's go. That's the spaghetti. Break it in 4 pieces. Break it. Leave that to cook. Leave that to cook the potato. Okay. Saving seeds as usual. This is how we get new peppers. We have from seeds, so don't throw them in the bin. I'm saying some people don't really have the need for seeds, so if they don't have the need, then it's fine. But I don't throw pepper seed. I always keep them. So this one we're gonna slice it a bit small because the sauce that we're gonna make, we don't need no big chunk of stuff inside. This sauce gonna consist of what you see here: sweet pepper, garlic, skelion, some thyme, apple juice, a bit of honey, and some jerk sauce, and a bit of tomato ketchup. Yeah. And we're gonna use the juice from the chicken, the juice that came from it. Yeah. That's gonna be one of the main ingredients. I know some people gonna say, no, but you should do this, that, no. You shouldn't use that thing because that's fat and all these things. But we all need fat. Something have to kill. None of us is 100% healthy, no matter what we think we're eating. Too much of one thing is no good. And sometimes the thing that we're eating and think is good, it's not good. Our body reacting to it. So yeah, everyone to that one too. But I always use that juice that came from the chicken when I'm doing the sauce to put back. Well, it's a bit sunny today, as you can see shadows and stuff. Today is a very hot day here in the UK. I don't know what the temperature is, I didn't check, but today is very hot and I'm in the kitchen where the ventilation is not that much. I open the window, the air fryer running, the cooker running. You know, it's like I'm in a air oven. So much. So I think the spaghetti is cooked. So I'm gonna turn this off now and leave it a little till I'm ready to drain the potato and then do my mash. Let me check on them chicken now. See the color change there. Color change there. So very soon I'm gonna come and turn them a bit. Yeah. Okay. Little bit oil inside, just a little bit. Not much, just to grease the pot. I want much, just to grease the pot. I'm not using too much grease in this thing, you know. That's just the grease. I'm gonna add all these stuff inside that we just cut up, that we just chopped. Jamaica, that's a cut. That we just chopped. Leave this and put down. Get soften a little bit. Leave it a little and let it go and do some of that water inside. Start with a bit of color on it, like them brown. Yeah, you don't want it too burnt, but just change a bit. So now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the juice from the chicken. We're gonna pour it from the air fryer. So that's the juice there at the side. So I'm gonna do now, try and do something to hold it. Alright, let me move the chicken down. Let me move all the chicken down and then just pour it out. Just like that. Just like that, that's it. Just turn from the toast them like that. The one with the wings. Okay, so make sure cooker turn down. You don't want to burn this thing. You're making a bit of sauce. You don't want it to be bitter or anything like that. So turn the cooker down a bit. So now I'm gonna go with some apple juice. Doesn't matter, any apple juice will work. Put some apple juice inside. I'm going to turn it up a bit because I don't want it to get too thin. Take time and pour it. Don't pour it one time. Trying to keep that heat inside. Don't want the peas to just die down one time. So take your time and pour it. Pour a bit more. Gonna add some Dunge River jerk sauce. No, jerk seasoning, sorry. Dunge River jerk seasoning. You don't want much. You don't want this thing to overpower because this thing is very strong. Like this jerk seasoning is very strong. You don't want it to overpower what you're doing. So don't put too much. See? I think that's enough. Is very strong. It's like concentrated, it's very strong. We're gonna add more apple juice. Okay, I think still gonna add a bit more. Let that just go and get back up to temperature again. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna turn the chicken, turn it on the opposite side now because that side is a bit cooked. I'm gonna turn that. You don't really have to do this, you know, but I just always do this. I always watch my stuff cooking in the air fryer. I don't just leave it to do its job. I don't want my stuff to get dry and yeah. So that's the other side. So I'm gonna put it back now. Same thing with the wings. Just turn them over. Turn them over. Same thing. Exact same thing, and then just put it back in the air fryer. That's it. So now I'm gonna add a bit of honey. Not too much because I don't want it to be too sweet because the apple juice already went inside. Not too much honey. Only that much. Tablespoon. You don't want it to be sweet because as I said the apple juice is already inside, so you know that gonna have a bit of sweetish taste. Now we're gonna add some ketchup. Not too much ketchup because you don't want it to taste like it's some ketchup sauce. Always remember, not too much of one thing. I'm still gonna add some more apple juice to it, just to make it a bit more. I don't like to, that my kids love this sauce. They love this bad, so I'm gonna add some more apple juice now. My kids really love this sauce. Whenever I make this sauce, it's like that's all they want to. It's like this is what they want to drink, basically. My style of cooking is different. Well, everybody's style of cooking is different. This is our recipe come along. So if person want to try it, they try it. If they don't want to, they don't have to. In this life, it's either you try or you don't try. You can only know how something tastes if you try. Not saying you have to try everything, but yeah. So I think that's enough. And the taste, you can see what's going on inside. I'm gonna add a little bit more jerk sauce. Not too much, as I said. This thing is overpowering. I want to taste like I'm doing jerk chicken. I'm gonna leave that, and then we're gonna get back to the air fryer. So this is the potato and the spaghetti. Sorry guys, I'm just attending to something else quickly. So this is the spaghetti and the potato. I'm gonna just drain it off a bit now. Get rid of the little excess water that's inside. So okay, so that's it. I'm gonna start mashing now. This is what I use. Start with the mashing inside the same pot. I'm not gonna mash it out too much yet because I'm gonna add like the butter and stuff first. Inside. Before I mash it completely. Some anchor butter, any butter of your choice. Doesn't have to be what I'm using. If you wanna go and source it, then fine, but don't have to be. So my mashed potato is just butter and some nido milk. I'm saying it right. Nestle. Nido. That milk there, Nestle. Yeah, the air fryer stopped now, so I'm gonna check because I think maybe I have to put some more time on it. Okay, so I add the butter now. Just do now. potato. That's my mash. Mash it till it becomes creamy. It's like ice cream. Then with the spaghetti inside, I get a little bit of that kind of, I don't even know what to call it, if it's crunch or I don't know what you would call it, but the spaghetti gives it a different kind of flavor. Okay, so look at the texture of it. I went to put some more time on the air fryer because it's not fully done yet. So what I'm gonna do now, so I have the milk here, is the powdered milk, and I add a bit of water from the mashed potato, the hot water. You don't want to use cold water. Add some hot water. Now I'm just whisking it. So that's the milk. As I say, everyone do stuff different. This is all like my own. Everyone can do it their way. Put whatever cream they want to put. Every cream, this cream, whatever. I just do mine simple and nice. So this is what I like. Normally I would put carrot as well, like maybe 1 carrot inside just to give it a bit of different flavor and color, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just doing the normal one which the kids like, which my missus like. That's what I'm doing today. The one with the spaghetti, just some butter and this Nestle Nido milk. Yeah. So what you're doing, you just pour that inside. Pour that inside, yeah, and then you just start pound it again. You're gonna see how fast this thing gonna get absorbed by the potato. You absorb it, it's gonna come out creamy like it's ice cream. Hard work, why? I can imagine them people in the motherland pounding the yam with them. In Jamaica we call it a mortar. I don't know what they call it in Africa. I mean, we need to find out the name of it. But that thing they used to pound it. This is hard work. This is why my missus like when I do it, because the way I do it take a lot of energy. I'm saying the kids love this. My kids don't really eat that much meat, so they would eat this just with that sauce that I make. They don't want no meat. This I think is okay. More meat for me. Okay. So I think that's it now. I get to the consistency what I want. So see? Yeah. Always tastes nice. Oh gosh, man. This should be in a restaurant. So I do know I normally just use this and just take it from the side of the pot and just, yeah, that is it. So that's my mashed potato. Remember guys, always store the seeds. So that's seeds that I got so far. See, look at that. That's seeds that I got so far. When I travel, when I go to Jamaica, I bring all these seeds and I give it away. give them away. I keep for myself because I want to start some nice farming, but I share the seeds, you know, with other people. I'm not selfish, not all for myself. Yeah. So always store the seeds. Remember that. When I have enough, I put them inside envelope, I store them away because you can store these seeds for 1 year. Just store them out of light, out of sunlight and stuff like that. Yeah. And make sure whatever you put them in, there's no moisture to build up inside. That's why I put them inside envelope. You're not gonna get no little sweating or anything like that to let them start germinating. Yeah. So always store your seeds. Let's see what we got here, guys. So in 12 minutes, I'm not gonna use that whole 12 minutes. So that's how they look now. Looking very good. Yeah. I don't think I need to be going any further than there. I don't want it to be any more than that. That's fine. So I'm gonna shut this off now. Thank you very much, Mr. Ninja. So guys, that's the sauce. That's my mashed potato. And that's the chicken. / chicken wings. Let's go. Guys, I don't really do too much. I will start present my food better soon, but for now, yeah. It's all about the taste, really. I will start present it, make it look a bit more, you know. We can live with that for now. So
by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
I'm gonna put two leg thigh. Alright, so the veg. Then look at salad dressing, you know? Little dressing on top of the salad dressing. Okay. Then the gravy / sauce. I'll put this over the chicken. Put this over the chicken. Just like that. Just like that. Kevoy is your uncle. So yes guys, that's the finishing. Take some pictures while I'm recording.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes
That's the finishing.
by creating an
That's my
imaginary
mashed potato
Usually it's
into
something
salad,
moves.
leg and thigh, and the gravy. Some salad dressing. Put a bit more salad dressing on it. That is it. Remember, subscribe for more nice video like this. And remember, this channel is not just about a set thing, like we don't focus on one thing as it called random vlogs. Gonna be different stuff, but it's gonna be interesting stuff. Thanks for watching. Forget about the avocado. So that's the finishing, guys.